Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on HBO Max, right? So it's very easy. Let me show you how to do it. So guys, if you just go and open your HBO Max on the top right side corner, so basically you have to click on your profile icon, which is on the top right side corner. Once you click on that, you will get an option of settings on this same place, right, which is basically on the top right side corner. So once you click that, you will get this option, right? In so many options, there will be option of display language. So once you click on the display language, you will able to select a language, and in this way you will able to change your language over the HBO Max. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.